Hi, welcome to Cleves Backyard Woodworking. In this video, I'm going to build a ramp, a dog ramp for Dexter, from the sliding patio door out to my little workshop so he can go outside in the back. Dexter's 11, going on 12 years old. I've had him since 2010, so almost 9 years I've had him. Now he's getting older and he's on a lot of medications because he has epilepsy, and he had a major seizure last year. He still has fun sometimes. We've taken him to the beach and some long walks. He likes coming out back here, feeling the breeze. This ramp I'm going to build him is going to help him a lot. He's tripped a couple times, and his back legs are more weak than I'm seeing. So hopefully he likes it, and let's get to the build. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. He needs one. All right. Now that I have most of the pieces cut for the ramp, so I have the two sides, the center support, and the ramp itself, and then the lip, which I'm still checking on. I'll go ahead and attach these and test it out and see what modifications I need. support. In here. Now that I got the main pieces attached, just screwed them in. I just want to put in a lip for the top here, so I can hook that into that track and have more support on top. And then I want to put a brace in the middle here. Alright, I glued up the pieces, the two little strips over here, and tape them and clamp them on. I attached the two small strips on the top. Now I'm going to attach the middle piece. I'm going to glue these up, clamp them in, put some brad nails in it. Let them dry. Trim off these edges here with my saw. So I got some black carpet to put on here. I'll roll right here off in Home Depot. I'm gonna measure how much I need. 226 by 17. Alright, so I measured the edges where the rug will lay in. Just make sure there's the overlap. Alright, so I decided to do it flush instead. I think it looks a little better. So I'm gonna attach the side trim, sand everything down. Coat it with some Spar urethane oil base. Protect it. It's a crystal clear satin. Alright, so the ramp is almost done. I'm just going to do a light 220 grit sandpaper in the center here. And then I'm going to attach the carpet and then have Dexter try it out. I'm use some multi-purpose adhesive. I'll spray this part here and the carpet, and also put some carpet tape for extra bonding. Alright, so I have this Arrow electric stapler. Doesn't go all the way through, but I can snap it in and then hammer it down this top lip of the carpet. Alright, there we have it. I left the bottom a little bit longer so it can touch the floor. It'll help Dexter walk off of it nice and smoothly. So all used reclaimed wood, and then I bought it the carpet at Home Depot. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. He loves the ramp. And please subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up. And for the next time, I'll see you later. Say bye.